are you?
Cal Kestis.
So it is an honor to be able to unbox and review this saber because this is personally one of my favorite lightsabers. Now this is Cal Kestis' crossguard lightsaber from the video game Jedi Survivor. With this order, you will receive a memory stick, saber stand, screws and Allen key, decorative screw part, large screwdriver, charging cable, blade plug, product manual, and of course, the blade. Without further ado, let's light it up. Honestly, this is just insane. Cosmetically speaking, Cal Kestis' crossguard lightsaber is an absolute standout. Now, despite its size, it's actually not that heavy, it's reasonably light. So this is a very battle-worn yet refined medieval look. It is purposeful, it is intimidating, and it is built for survival rather than ceremony. But this saber, it is button controlled, or it could be motion controlled, or alternatively, you can control it all on the app. Cal's canonical lightsaber color is blue, but the beauty of Cal's Jedi games is that you can change the color blade to whatever you want. With the crossguard in Survivor, did you have white blades, purple, green? Me personally, I always thought Cal suited yellow, but now you can make it a reality with just the touch of a button. The saber comes with smooth swing, flash on clash, tip drag, and over 30 sound fonts and a variety of sound and light effects. But this saber, it fits all scenarios. Cosplaying, perfect. Display piece, superb. Avid lightsaber collector that likes to spin a lightsaber every so often? Match made in heaven. Parsec Sabers once again has proven that they are one of the best lightsaber companies going. They expand their stock. They produce high quality lightsabers for a low price. They are quick on arrival. Their service is impeccable. They are massive fans themselves. Get this saber now while you still can. May the force be with you.